Hi guys and welcome to another video. In this video I am going to compare Airbus and Boeing, so let's go into video. First we have to compare actual quality of planes, which will probably most people give to Airbus, and I'm going for Airbus too. Next is selling of planes. Airbus apparently has better selling, but I thought that Boeing sold more planes than Airbus, but Airbus is better. And last one is my favorite plane from Boeing or Airbus. So my favorite plane is Boeing 777. For this episode I chose Airbus, but there is going to be part 2, so subscribe so you don't miss it.